Oh, look. What do we have here? My little pack. What? Oh, it's Max and Falcon and Rudy. Now, Falcon, if you come with me, I'll get you anything you want. I'll let you climb all the trees around. I'll let you do anything. But if you stay with Dad, he won't let you do anything. How do you know that? Yeah, I'll let him do anything. And if you make me attack you, it's gonna happen again. What do you mean? I will attack you. Alright, let's make it a round then. And then we're done. Alright. Alright. One round, and then we're done. Okay. Dad knows a really good trick too, whatever your name is, Falcon. Now, who's the big one now? Me still. One more round. If I win, if I get this one, then I win. No, that's not fair because I've already won it. If you win, then we have one more round. Okay. Don't get in front of me. Now. Okay, fine. I'll leave you alone. I never loved y'all anyways. And Falcon, you're the most worst pup I've ever had. Don't ever say that to him. He's a good pup, and so is Rudy. Unlike you, I'm not a pup. I'm a dog. Man, you're ugly. Who said I was your mirror? Whatever. No. Pack. Yes, Dad. Please follow me. We need to get somewhere she's not. Yes, Dad. I hope we don't get caught by animal control. Yeah, no, right? I don't think I will. I hope not. Yeah. That'd be bad. No, there's Sherlock. Well, what do we have here? Little dog day. Let me go get my car. Bring you to the shelter. You're up first, little puppy. I'll take you to the shelter first. No, little puppy. Now get off. Oh, wow, you don't know your manners. Whatever, I'll show you get off and you get off. Get back in my car to go get your brother and your brother. La 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 la. La 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 la. Now what are we supposed to do? We're locked up in cages. Uh-oh, those other animals.